Imagine this. You're a Supreme Court justice. You have the power to decide the biggest legal battles in America: abortion, gun rights, corporate power, even whether a former president can be prosecuted. Now imagine that, in between ruling on these cases, you're jetting off on luxury vacations, courtesy of billionaires with political agendas. Sound fair? Well, welcome to the reality of the US Supreme Court today. From undisclosed trips to private islands to billionaire-funded getaways, the Supreme Court's ethics crisis has never been more blatant. And the best part? Unlike every other judge in America, Supreme Court justices aren't bound by a formal ethics code. Let's talk about how we got here, and whether anything is going to change.
Let's start with the man at the center of this storm, Justice Clarence Thomas. It turns out, for over 2 decades, Thomas has been enjoying a VIP lifestyle, courtesy of his billionaire friend Harlan Crow.
Private jets? Check. Super yacht trips? Check. Exclusive real estate deals? Oh yeah, that too. Crow even bought Thomas's mother's house and let her live there rent-free. But here's where it gets interesting. Harlan Crow is a major conservative donor. He funds organizations that regularly bring cases before the Supreme Court. And yet Thomas never recused himself from any of them. This isn't just about a free vacation. It's about whether a Supreme Court justice can be influenced by the ultra-wealthy. Thomas isn't the only one in hot water. Justice Samuel Alito got caught accepting a luxury fishing trip from a hedge fund billionaire whose firm just happened to have cases before the court. And let's not forget Neil Gorsuch, who sold land to the CEO of a major law firm, the same firm that regularly argues before SCOTUS. The real issue? The real issue? There are 0 real consequences. Unlike lower court judges, Supreme Court justices aren't required to disclose gifts or recuse themselves in cases involving their friends. This is a loophole the size of a billionaire's yacht. So, what's the fix? Here are 3 ideas floating around Washington right now. Mandatory ethics code. Congress has proposed forcing Supreme Court justices to follow the same ethics rules as every other judge. But good luck getting them to enforce it. This could stop billionaires from having decades of influence over a single judge. Court expansion. Though controversial, some Democrats argue that adding justices could rebalance the court's power. Critics also say that would just lead to an endless back and forth of court packing. So here's the big question. Do we really have an independent Supreme Court? Or just another political battleground where billionaires call the shots? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the chaos of American politics.